Discussing about the GATE 2011 solutions for ECE branch, and we are discussing about the topic of electron devices. And first we will discuss about the series of 1 mark questions, and in that one the first question asked is: a silicon PN junction is forward biased with a constant current at room temperature. When the temperature is increased by 10 degrees centigrade, the forward bias voltage across the PN junction A increases by 60 millivolts, B decreases by 60 millivolts, C increases by 25 millivolts, D decreases by 25 millivolts. The question I am reading again. A silicon PN junction is forward biased with a constant current at room temperature. When the temperature is increased by 10 degrees centigrade, the forward bias voltage across the PN junction is A increases by 60 millivolts, B decreases by 60 millivolts, C increases by 25 millivolts, D decreases by 25 millivolts. So, what happens to the forward bias voltage whenever the temperature is increases? If it is increased by 10 degrees centigrade, what happens to forward bias voltage? That was the question under this one. Correct answer for this one is D. Decreases by 25 millivolts. The complete explanation we will see now. Assume that a diode is forward biased and we are applying a battery of V volts, and positive terminal of battery is connected to P side and negative terminal of battery is connected to N side, so that we can say that P side of the diode is more positive than N side. Since P side of the diode is more positive than N side, we can say that one diode is under forward bias and a current exists, that value is I. So V is nothing but voltage across the diode terminals, I is nothing but diode current. If it is going to be conducting at room temperature, that is 27 degrees centigrade, okay, and we are going to be moving this experiment to some other temperature. By that time, as temperature is going to be more, what happens to current as well as voltage? Okay, in general we will discuss first, later we will go for the question next. As temperature increases, more and more minority carriers, more and more covalent bonds will get break, so that more number of minority carriers will be created. Whenever more number of minority carriers are created, at that time reverse saturation current increases. Reverse saturation current in a diode increases means current in the forward bias is going to be increases. We know the current equation, I is equal to I naught into e power V by eta Vt minus 1. So as I naught increases, I increases. For the given V, we are not changing the applied voltage, but we are changing the temperature. As temperature changes, more covalent bonds will break, more minority carriers will be created, that is more reverse saturation current, so that more forward current for the same voltage. So if you are not changing the voltage, current is going to be increases as temperature increases. The same thing we can say in a different manner. If the diode is forward biased by a constant current, current cannot change even though the temperature changes. So when a diode is forward biased by a constant current, even though the temperature increases, current cannot be changed, but the voltage across the diode is going to reduces, so that you are getting the previous how much you are getting the current, now you are getting for a less voltage. That is the meaning. So for a constant current source, voltage across the diode terminals reduces, so that in other words, the current flowing through the diode is constant, then voltage across the diode terminals reduces. How much it will be? dV by dt is minus 2.5 millivolts per degree centigrade. That is, for every 1 degree centigrade rise in temperature, forward voltage is reduces by 2.5 millivolts. That is the rate of change of voltage as temperature increases. Now, if we calculate for every 10 degree centigrade, what happens? Assume V of T2, that is at a higher temperature, is equal to V of T1 plus T2 minus T1 into dV by dt. So T2 is nothing but now temperature is increases by 10 degrees centigrade as asked in the question. So T2 is replaced with T1 plus 10. V of T1 plus 10 is equal to V of T1 plus T2 minus T1 is 10 degrees centigrade multiplied by dV by dt is minus 2.5. So V of T1 plus 10 is equal to V of T1 minus 25. So when the temperature is increases by 10 degrees centigrade, voltage across the diode is reduces by 25 millivolts. So the right answer is D, decreases by 25 millivolts.